Hello, everyone. In this class, we are going to learn about an overview of live streaming data analysis. Data analysis is an indispensable part of live streaming operations. To optimize the effectiveness of live streaming operations and improve the conversion rate of live streaming sales, it is essential to delve into data. Its importance is reflected in the following four aspects, which are respectively gaining insights into markets and consumers, optimizing live streaming operations, assessing and enhancing marketing effectiveness, and guiding supply chain management. Data analysis may be conducted by referring to the following basic ideas. First, clarify the objectives of data analysis. The common objectives of data analysis include the following three types. Analyze the current situation. Through analysis, understand what live streaming competitors there are, what advantages and shortcomings exist compared to competitors, and what the market share of the live streaming products is. Identify the patterns of change. Analyze the reasons for data increases or decreases. Find methods to continue improving data or prevent continuous data decline. Summarize the patterns of data changes and establish your own data model. Make more accurate predictions. Use data analysis to more accurately predict the development and change trends of live streaming. In addition, it is necessary to make clear the analysis dimensions. The key analysis dimensions include traffic dimension, user behavior dimension, conversion dimension, and cost dimension. Then, collect data. Most live streaming data is provided by the live streaming platform. Some hidden data, such as competitor data, can only be obtained through paid means, from third-party platforms or special channels. Platform-based collection, taking TikTok as an example. It is mainly conducted through the live streaming analysis under Data Compass. We can see the summary data of live streaming over a period of time, such as the transaction amount, order count, and number of buyers. The data performance of a single live streaming session. The transaction, order, engagement, conversion, and follower growth data for a single live streaming session. Performance of influencer partners in the live streaming. View the performance of affiliate partners in your own official account in live streaming over a period of time and for a single session. Collection from third-party platforms. The commonly used platforms include Tickstar and Fastmost. After collecting relevant data, it is necessary to organize and process the data to integrate it. Data integration is not merely listing the collected data, but involves checking, correcting, and processing it to facilitate subsequent analysis. It generally includes two steps: data correction and data calculation. Data correction. It is essential to first check the collected data for any anomalies and correct them promptly to ensure the accuracy and validity of the data, thereby ensuring the scientific and referential nature of the data analysis results. Common problematic data include data collection errors, missing values, inconsistent data, and duplicate data. These problems can be corrected with data correction methods. Deletion of problematic data. For the four types of data: issues, data collection errors, missing values, inconsistent data, and a large amount of duplicate data. The method of deleting problematic data and recollecting data can be used to resolve them. For example, in this case study, there is data contradiction. In the third row of data, the number of page views in the live stream is less than the number of visitors to the live stream. The solution is to delete this row of data. Mean imputation for missing values. For data issues with missing values, in addition to the deletion method, the mean imputation method can also be used to correct the data. It involves using the average value of the data indicator from other sessions to impute the missing value. In this case study, the number of new followers for the live streaming session on December 30th is missing, and the average number of new followers from the other 9 sessions can be used to impute it. After ensuring the accuracy of the data, calculations can be performed based on the objectives of the data analysis to obtain richer data information and inspire more improvement ideas. Data calculation includes summing data, calculating averages, computing ratios, and trend analysis. For example, using ratio calculation can determine the proportion of profit-making products. After completing the data collection and organization work, some data analysis methods can be used to analyze the organized data, identify abnormal data, analyze the corresponding reasons, and derive solutions. The common methods for live streaming data analysis are as follows. Comparison analysis method, including horizontal comparison and vertical comparison. The former is to compare the data of this live streaming session with the industry average level, the excellent competitors in the same industry, and the historical data of one's own historical sessions, while the latter is to analyze the live streaming data in different time slots to observe changes in the effectiveness of the live streaming at various stages. User behavior path reconstruction method. It refers to using tools such as Mixpanel or Amplitude, drawing diagrams of the path users take from entering the live stream to making a purchase, and identifying dropout points by analyzing the path diagram. Competitor benchmarking analysis method. On the one hand, deconstruct live streaming strategies. For example, deconstruct the live streaming script framework of competitors and analyze the design of competitors' welfare activities. On the other hand, focus on innovative engagement tactics, such as the trial of AI virtual streamer and real-time translation functions. Trend analysis is a method of comparing data indicators from different periods to determine their increases or decreases and the trends of changes. In this case study, the trend analysis method is applied to the tabular data for the indicator of new followers, which allows for a direct observation of the trend in the indicator. Special event analysis method. If there is an abnormality in the live streaming data, it may be related to a specific event. Associating abnormal data with special events to find the relationship between data changes and special events is known as the special event analysis method. For example, the number of online viewers in a live stream usually stays around 1,300, but was only 688 some day. This abnormal data may be related to events such as changes to the homepage or channel, changes in tags, changes in the time period of live streaming, or changes in the streamer, which are the associated special events. Problem analysis method. The problem analysis method, also known as the 5W2H analysis method, includes the following elements: what, why, who, when, where, how, and how much. For example, which products are hot sellers? Why are they hot sellers? Who is making the purchases? When do users place orders and make payments? Where are the users coming from? How are users making purchases? What is the price? This method helps analysts discover clues to solving problems from the answers and find ways to address the issues. Logic tree analysis method. It refers to the hierarchical listing of all subproblems of a problem, starting from the highest level and expanding downward. It is like taking a known problem as the trunk of a tree, and then considering the factors related to this problem. When using the logic tree analysis method, the following three principles should be followed: consistency, relevance, and exhaustiveness. In this case, the low conversion rate of live streaming products might lead us to consider whether there are issues with the traffic acquisition in the live stream, problems with the live streaming content, or issues with the products themselves. Then, we can continue to brainstorm for each of these potential problems. Alright, that concludes our overview of live streaming data analysis. Goodbye, everyone.